Hey, what's going on everybody? How we doing? Today I am going to show you a new product from Eufy that I'm very excited about. It's probably one of the coolest home gadgets I've ever done on this channel. This is the Eufy Security S330 Smart Lock. And why I'm so excited about it, it has pretty much everything you want for your front door. Of course, it'll lock the house with a deadbolt. You have a 2K camera built into it. You also have the doorbell built into it. It comes with a chime that you just plug in anywhere in your house, and you can even plug an SD card into this and record all the footage straight onto the SD card. Another great thing with Eufy is they don't have a monthly fee. Another amazing thing with this one, you can access the lock so many ways. You can do it via the app, of course manually, the keypad, fingerprint sensor. That's going to be awesome. You can even do it with Alexa or Google. And I've reviewed a lot of Eufy's 2K cameras on this channel, and the video quality is excellent. So for this to have 2K and it record when people come up to your house, you're gonna have a crystal clear shot of who's at your doorbell. Another awesome thing about this, it has a 10,000 milliamp hour battery built in that is rechargeable. Right now, currently for my front door, I have a Nest camera, which is a standalone camera, doorbell, and then I have a quick set keypad lock. My keypad lock currently doesn't have a camera, it doesn't have a fingerprint sensor, it's not a doorbell, and I have to replace those 4 AA batteries all the time, probably 2 to 3 times a year. So the fact that I can just plug in this and fully recharge the battery, and it's probably gonna be good for like 6 months to a year easily, depending on how often you actually use the lock. This is gonna be awesome. I'm very excited to get this installed. So in this video, we're gonna unbox it. I'm gonna show you how to install it, and then I'll go through all of its features, including the app, how good the fingerprint sensor works, how good the video quality is at daytime and nighttime, how easily it is to hook up the doorbell, which should just be plug and play. And then of course, the fingerprint sensor and the keypad. I'll go over everything this thing has to offer. If you haven't seen my prior video, I did their wall light camera, and that also has the 2K camera built in. And I think it's excellent, I love it. So I'll link that one below if you wanna get some other home security products. All right, let's go ahead and see everything you get inside of the box. Here's the box and some more info if you wanna quickly see that. Feel free to pause it. There's a lot of info. Now let's check it out. Nicely packaged. Definitely not going to get damaged during shipping. Here is the main locking part. This will be on the inside of your door. That's where the battery's gonna go. Oh wow, this is nice and hefty. You can tell this has some really nice build quality. Oh, that is all metal. Doorbell has a nice click to it. There's the camera. Here's how you charge it with USB-C. And then of course that's what goes through the door to this part. Here is the battery pack. And of course, like they said, 10,000 mAh, which is quite big. Put that into perspective, most cell phones are around 4,000. So there is a plug. Pretty sure this is for the doorbell. Of course, you get the manual and all the information you need. Quick start guides in there. Of course, you have physical keys in case you forget the code or there's some kind of issue with the fingerprint sensor, or you just leave and forget to recharge the battery. Of course, you can still get it with your physical keys. Here is, of course, all the hardware to install it into your door like any other lock. Some screws and stuff to get that installed. And then this is the chime / local storage. And then this just clicks on like so. You can plug this anywhere in your house. It's going to connect to it. And I love the look. They could have just given you a little cheap, ugly sensor that you plug in, but this has a nice clean look. I like the gray. And you can pop these up to get better signal if you want to have it further away from the doorbell. So very excited for this, guys. I think it's going to be awesome. All right, guys, that's everything in the box. Should be a very simple install. If you can install a deadbolt, you can install this thing. Most houses already have the correct size hole, and I could probably get this installed in under 10 minutes. So let me get all this installed for you. I'll tell you if I have any issues whatsoever. I'll show you the before and after of what I currently have as my setup, and then I'll show you this one. And in a later video, I'll even show you a comparison between the video quality on this one and the video quality on my Nest one that I have loved over the years. But I think this product just is everything you need all in one, which is just awesome. Especially with the fingerprint sensor, so easy. All right, here's how it looks. I think it looks nice and clean. Got the doorbell there, fingerprint sensor. And of course, you're gonna enter a code. People on this other side with the app can unlock it from the app. Many ways to get on this. There's also a keyhole as well with a physical key, so definitely lots of ways to get in, and I think it's pretty dang cool. Let me show you the fingerprint sensor real quick. I already did my pointer finger, so that quick, it's unlocked. So very cool. Show you the other side. The install was very simple. Locks right up, and it even alerts you every time this deadbolt is moved, whether it be physically, manually, or by the app, or by the fingerprint, or the code. It'll tell you exactly how it was opened. So pretty cool. I like the looks of it. I think it looks a lot better than the Quickset. The Quickset was just a keypad and that's it. No fingerprint, no camera, no doorbell. So I'm pretty happy. Let's see how the doorbell sounds and works. I got it plugged in right there, so pretty closely to it. Open the door back up. As soon as I twist this, you'll hear my watch beep. As that's how quick it is. So of course this will go off with a motion sensor, so as soon as I walked up, it should have picked me up. And then also when I ring the doorbell here, it will bring it up as well, so. Pretty cool, I must say. I am in love with this thing. I wish this whole system was out when I bought this Nest. So I had to buy a physical doorbell to put inside my house, and I had to hardwire it. But it is always on, which is nice. So, yeah, I wish this was out earlier. This has everything you want for your front door. It is a pricey bit of tech, 300 bucks. Not cheap, but you get a lot for it. Just that Nest doorbell, when I bought it, was 200 bucks. Keypad, the Quickset, when I bought it, was I think 120. So right there, you're almost at the price of this. And you get the fingerprint scanner all in one, and yeah, just being all in one is really cool. So, all right, next up, I will show you some of the footage. If you guys have any questions on this, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll try to answer it for you. But so far, super happy. That install was simple. All right, guys, going over the new eufy video smart lock. This is how it looks during the day. As you can see, I have the video doorbell lock right below it. That is the actual doorbell that rings. That's where you put your SD card, and that's what connects everything kind of together. So, as you can see, I also have many other eufy products on my house. I think they're really good. These bottom two are 4K. I did a review on that, so if you're interested in that, 4K solar lights, those are really good. And this wall light, which I was super impressed with, is really good as well. But this video is about the smart lock. So it'll alert you when there's motion or people or if someone hits the doorbell. So you can also access it live at any point just by coming to the app and hitting play. and it will pull up a live feed. So here's the live picture quality. Turn it for you. Another cool thing here is on the left, you see that blue lock. You just hold that down and it'll lock and unlock it for you. You can save these clips to that micro SD card. You can just take simple pictures. Obviously talk back and forth with them. You can set up responses, so as soon as they hit the doorbell, a response will pop up, and you can say like, please leave the package behind the pillar there, or anything you really want to say. A lot of settings in this as well. Shows the battery life. I didn't fully charge this, so that's why it's not fully charged. Wi-Fi is connected. You can change your motion detection, your power management, one-touch locking. It can automatically lock, so if you do forget and you walk away after a certain amount of time, I believe it's around 30 seconds to a minute, it'll lock it for you, which I actually need to turn that on just in case. You never know, so you can set it too, and I'll just do a minute. Wrong try protection, so if someone comes up and enters the wrong code, it'll alert you and say, okay, someone's trying to break in. The scramble passcode. You can unlock your door by entering some random numbers before or after your passcode. Oh, maybe that's in case someone's, trying to peek and see what your code is, maybe. Video settings, night vision, notifications, all that good stuff. Most efficient, get notified without delay, only text included. So I like the full one. Let's do the thumbnail. So this will give me a little thumbnail of kind of like a preview of the video. Or you can do a full effect. I'm just going to go ahead and do the full effect because why not? And yeah, there's tons of settings. So far I'm extremely happy with this. I will get you a shot in the nighttime, and then we will kind of wrap up this video, but so far so good. You can see at the top right there, that's that wall light. That has a camera built in it too. And I made a video on this as well if you're interested. It's a 2K camera, has 1200 lumens of brightness, so it's super bright, and it does kind of the same thing. It alerts you immediately if you see somebody. Very clear picture. And like I said, I've been very happy with these eufy products. All right, here is your nighttime video. Once again, looks really good, especially with that light on. Most people are going to have a light right outside the door anyway, so it helps illuminate. And I think it looks really good. And let me switch it to side view. Looks really good. Nice clean picture of anybody walking up. You can zoom in a little bit, and the clarity really doesn't change much at all. It looks really quite sharp and good. Really tell the needles even on the pine here. So very impressed with the quality. Great so far. A few people have came to the door, rung the doorbell. The doorbell works fine. I've used the fingerprint sensor a couple times already. Works every time instantly. The keypad, of course, works. You can unlock and lock it from the phone. Just a really good all-in-one. I think everybody should have some sort of doorbell on their house. Let it be a standalone one like I had, or this that has everything in one. So very happy with it. I highly recommend. And if you have any questions down below, definitely ask. I'll try to make a video on it for you, or just simply answer it for you. And y'all have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel. I'd love to have you join. And I will see you in the next video.